5 Pro Tips for Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is the most popular of all major office productivity software. It has 48.8% of the global market share, just edging out Google's apps by a couple of percentage points. It's used by individuals, small and mid-sized businesses, and larger enterprise organizations. It does everything a modern office needs, including word processing, spreadsheet work, cloud storage, and video conferencing. Because Microsoft 365 is such a vast platform with over 20 apps in total, it can be easy to miss helpful features. People tend to stick with what's familiar, but this often causes them to miss out on time and money-saving bonuses in Microsoft 365 beyond the core apps. Some of the many apps you get depending on your subscription plan include Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, To-Do, OneDrive, Teams, Forms, Defender, SharePoint, Yammer, Lists, Access, Bookings, Intune, Planner, Visio, and many more. Get more out of Microsoft 365 with these 5 pro tips. Skip the menu bar by using search to find functions. Stop wasting time clicking through one tab after another, and instead use the search box at the top. It's not just for searching for help topics. Stop wasting time clicking through one tab after another, and instead use the search box at the top. You can use a search to quickly jump to settings like margins, page orientation, and more. Leverage free stock images, icons, and videos. You can't just do a Google search and find them because they may be copyrighted. You need to have images that you can use commercially without any problems. Inside Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, you have a treasure trove of images. These are free to use in your marketing. You also have videos, icons, and even 3D models all there for the picking. You can find them by going to Insert, Pictures, then Stock Images. Use the tab at the top to toggle between different media. Then, click to insert it directly into your document, spreadsheet, or presentation. Save time on customer surveys with Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is one of the best kept secrets of Microsoft 365. This cloud-based survey and form builder makes it simple to send out surveys and get the results back as soon as they click Submit on the form. You can even download the results directly to Excel. Use PowerPoint's Presenter Coach to improve your skills. PowerPoint can help with a handy AI-powered feature called Presenter Coach. Turn this coach on when practicing your presentation. It will give you tips on your pacing, use of filler words, repetitive language, and much more. Look for the Rehearse with Coach option on the slideshow menu. Save recurring email text in Outlook's Quick Parts. Stop retyping the same info every time. Outlook has a feature called Quick Parts that saves and then inserts blocks of text into emails. Create a quick part by highlighting the text to save in an email. On the Insert menu, click Quick Parts. Save Quick Part. When ready to insert that text into another email, just use the same menu, then click to insert the quick part.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found something valuable out of the content we put out. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.